Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your DoorDash application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end. In order to download your DoorDash application on your Android device, firstly open up your Play Store. In your search box at the top, type in DoorDash and make a search. You're going to see the DoorDash application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your DoorDash application on your Android phone. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.